Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you a simple, quick, easy and budget friendly wash day routine on your natural hair. So if you are interested, then definitely keep on watching. So for the first step, you wet and section your hair before the shampoo process. I'll be using black soap. This is Dudu Osun brand of black soap. It's a Nigerian brand. This is what it looks like. Oops, I put it upside down, but we move. So I'll be using the black soap on my scalp. I'll be focusing mainly on my scalp because I just loosened a protective style that I've had in for like 4 weeks, so my scalp is really dirty. Black soap is very good for clarifying the hair, meaning like it would strip off your hair of the oils, yes, and then the dirt, so making your hair squeaky clean. Yeah, so I will link a post in the description about black soap and also how to make a DIY shampoo out of it. If you are interested, then definitely check it out. So after that, I'm just going to focus on my hair because my hair is also very dirty as well. So it's more like from the scalp, I then move to my hair strand to get this dirt out. While shampooing, I make sure to give myself a thorough, awesome massage because I mean, my head, my hair, my brain needs it. Next is to dry. So you can either use a microfiber towel or a t-shirt. I usually use the two because I need my hair to dry. So it's not like you're making your hair totally dry, but like you make it damp. Yes, just make it to stop dripping water basically. So the next step is to deep condition and detangle. I'm using the Intense Moisture Deep Conditioner from Cruiz. This is a Nigerian brand I'm trying for the first time, and I really do like it because it left my hair moisturized and soft. This is what the inside looks like. It's actually creamy and yummy and it has a good consistency also. I think that's what they call it. Also, it has a good sleep for my hair. So basically what I would do is to take a section of my hair and begin to rub the deep conditioner on my hair. Now I focus on my hair and not on my scalp this time because the black soap had already stripped my hair of all the oils, so I need to moisturize it, and I go in with my afro comb to just detangle. Usually I use a white comb, but I couldn't just find that comb. I just couldn't. I don't know why, but you guys, this deep conditioner actually left my hair feeling really soft. Like I would really try it again. Even when this jar finishes, I'll try another one. I think I like it. Yeah, I think I want to be trying Nigerian brands this time. Okay, so if you want a full detailed video of deep conditioning, I have one on this channel. I'm going to link it in the cards and also in the description box, so you can check it out. I also have another one on how to detangle natural hair, very explanatory, so you guys can check those ones out. Okay, yes, you guys, this is the first time I'm using these sectioning clips for my hair. Usually I just like twist my hair in sections, and I don't even know who told me that I should deep condition with the clips still on my hair. I don't know where I learned that thing from. You guys, once I finish putting this nylon on my hair, like just so that my hair will get enough heat with these clips, you guys, this thing was so uncomfortable. Like, I don't know, I'm not going to try this nonsense next time, so I advise you guys not to try it. Once I'm done deep conditioning, I rinse and dry my hair. You know how we dry it now, so that the thing will not be dripping water. Yes, so after that we move on to the next one. I'll be using the 2-in-1 leave-in conditioner from Cruiz as well. This is also the first time I'm trying this brand to add in extra moisture to my hair. Like I said, my hair has been stripped, so I need to replenish back the moisture. This actually smelled good. I liked the smell, and it was really moisturizing, like really moisturizing. The leave-in conditioner is about 2,500, and yeah, so this is what my wash day routine looks like. Very easy, lazy girl kind of thing. And yeah, so if you did enjoy this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, and share.